Good morning and Jai Hind every students. In previous class, I was discussed formation of image in a concave mirror by three rules. Rule number 1, rule number 2 and rule number 3. Again I repeat, this is the mirror, concave mirror and this is the principal axis. This line is what? Principal axis. When the ray of light parallel to this principal axis fall on that mirror, concave mirror, then after reflect this direction and falls a point. This point is also called focus point. Okay, this is center of curvature and this is the mid of a mirror, that is called pole, and this is called principal axis. So this is the rule number first and this is the rule number second. When the ray of light coming from this point, focus point, and after reflection it's back to this direction and parallel to principal axis. And this is the rule number 3. Rule number 3, in this diagram, this is the center of curvature. When the ray of light comes from this direction, after reflection goes from that direction. Okay, so this is the three rules and I was discussed in a previous class. This is the first. When the object beyond or in at the infinity of its principal axis, this is the object. This is the object. So rule number first is what? When the ray of light fall on that particular surface, after reflection it goes through from this side direction, from this point. And the rule number second, the ray of light coming from this direction passes through focus, it's become parallel after reflection, so meet at a point where image is formed. So this is the object and this is what? Image. I will write here. Okay, so this is the rule number first. This is the image. When the object at infinity, image formed between C and F. C stand for center of curvature, F stand for focus. Size of image diminished or small where the object is large and image is slow. So today's class I will explain another formation of image of concave mirror. So I will make a concave mirror, backside coating. Okay, make a principal axis. Okay, here is focus and here is center of curvature. And in previous class, the object at this direction at infinity, but in this today's class the object at center of curvature. So I will make center of curvature object. So object, ray of light goes from this direction and after reflection it's back from this direction. Okay, and second rule, a ray of light goes this direction, after reflection it's become parallel. So here is the point. So I will make a line like this. So this is A and B and here A dash and B dash. So this is the image formation. So object, I will write object at C. C stand for center of curvature. So image formed at C. इमेज कहाँ बना? सी पे ही बना. ठीक है, इमेज फॉर्म एट सी एंड साइज ऑफ इमेज, साइज ऑफ, ओके, साइज ऑफ इमेज सेम साइज, सेम. okay, size of image is same size. Okay, so this is the second condition. third condition, I will make again backside coating, make a principal axis. Okay, this is focus point, this is center of curvature. Okay, and object in this diagram, object at C, and in this diagram, object between C and F. Here is object. Okay, here is object. Ray of light falling from this surface, and after reflection it goes from this direction. Okay, a ray of light falling from here, and after reflection it's go here. So actually meet at this point, and this is A and B, this is object, and image is here. This is A dash and B dash. Okay, so you will understand. Okay, you will understand by this diagram, when object at object not at object between C and F, center of curvature and focus, image image formed image formed behind C, behind C. Okay, image here, image has to be formed. Okay, and size of image is very important. Size of image is is in large. ठीक है, in large. So size of image in large. Okay, here is the object and image size is here. So image size is more rather than the object. Okay, this is the third one, and I will make 4 1. And what about nature of image? I will forgot this thing, nature of image. So actually meet at point, this is real. So nature, real and inverted. Okay, here I will forgot this thing, nature, real and inverted. Okay, understood. So I will make a next one, fourth part. I will make concave mirror. This is principal axis. Okay, this is principal axis, here is focus, here is center of curvature. Okay, object, when the first case object is here, second case object at C, third case object between C and F, and the fourth case, this is fourth case, and object at F, focus, object at F. So what we do, object, when object at F, rays of light goes from these, after reflection this direction. Okay, and here is no chance for rule number second, how will go through this direction, there is no focus. So here is rule number second, rule number third. Here rule number third, when the ray of light goes from this center of curvature, uh, when the ray of light goes this center of curvature, after reflection go from this onwards. Okay, so I will apply rule number third here. When the ray of light goes through this center of curvature, and after reflection it's backward on the same line, so it's become parallel, it's become parallel. Okay, it's become parallel. So I will write here, I will write the condition. So object at f, so image, where is image formed? So when the image, when the ray of light, both ray of light goes parallel, it's become, it's become at infinity, it's become meet at infinity when the scientists say. So I will write here image form at infinity, infinity. Okay, and nature, so nature, real or inverted, when it's meet at infinity, so real or inverted, inverted. Okay, and size of image, size of image, so big size, big size or larger. Okay, so this is the fourth one case, and last fifth one I will write 5. I will make again concave mirror, and I will make, this is principal axis, this is principal axis, here is pole in mid of the mirror, here is focus point, and here is the center of curvature, here is center of curvature. And in this case object at f, and in this case object between f and p, here is f, f stand for focus, so object is here. When the ray of light fall from this direction, it's, after reflection, it's go from this direction, go through focus. And the second case, rule number third, when the ray of light goes from center of curvature, it's after back on this direction, same direction, goes this direction, and after backward from this direction, it's the, it's the ray of light, this ray of light goes this direction, and this ray of light goes this direction, so is, it will never meet. Okay, it will never meet. So after meet, the image has to be formed, there is no chance to meet the ray of light, so I will make the some dotted point here, at it meet at this point. Okay, and I will write, make a line, this is a and this is b, according a and b, and here is object, here is image. So when object between f and p, f means focus, p means pole, image, where image is formed, image formed behind the mirror, behind, this is mirror, behind the mirror, behind the mirror. Okay, behind the mirror. And nature, so all concave mirror cases, all the nature real or inverted, real inverted, real inverted, but here not actually meet, it's appear to meet, it's appear to meet, that's why it is not real, it is virtual image, virtual image. And virtual image always erect image, erect or upright. Okay, upright. And size, so size of image is larger. Okay, here is object and here is image. So today's assignment for you, you make all these diagram from starting point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So today's assignment I will write here. Question 1, only question 1, to make all condition of concave mirror, to make all condition of concave mirror and draw neat and clean, draw neat and clean. So this is today's assignment. This is assignment. Today's date or 6/5/2020. Today's assignment, you can make all these diagram and you have to write all these conditions. Okay, thank you.